So here's the question. How do you patent a product that actually makes money? And I'm going to show you exactly what I do. So how do I do that? The first thing, do I have a new idea? And the best way to do that is do a Google image search and a Google shopping search and look at similar ideas to make sure whatever product idea you have is new and novel and has a big point of difference compared to the similar products on the market. Next, you want to do a patent search, and you can go to Google Patents and you can learn how to search for prior patents to make sure your idea is truly new. All right, number 3, once I have done this and I have determined I have a new idea, that's when I file a provisional patent application. It's easy to do, it's very affordable, and it gives you 1 year of patent pending status to now test your idea to see if it's marketable. So how do I test that idea to see if it's marketable? It's really easy. I create a 1-page advertisement. I call it a sell sheet. I have a photograph or 3D rendering of the product with the 1-line benefit statement at the top and my contact information. That is my marketing piece. That is my selling tool. That's how I'm going to test to see if people really want my idea. Okay, then once I have the marketing piece, I'm going to send it to companies that embrace open innovation. Those companies are looking for their next big hit from people like us. And once I send them the marketing material, that's going to tell me what to do next. And if they like it, then I'm going to ask them, how important is intellectual property? At that point, I can determine if I need to file now for a patent, a non-provisional patent application. And in some situations, I'm going to negotiate in the licensing agreement for them to pay for the patent. So that's what I do when I have a great idea. I'm going to determine, first of all, is it new and novel? Then I'm going to file a provisional patent application, which is easy to do. Then I'm going to test that idea to potential licensees and see if they even want it. And at that point, if I have interest, then I can determine if I need to file for a patent, which is called a non-provisional patent application. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.